Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today we'll explore Affirm's pre-qualification requirements so you know what to expect before applying. Step 1. No impact on credit score. Pre-qualification is a soft credit check, meaning it won't affect your credit score. You can check if you qualify without risk. Step 2. Basic personal information. You'll need to provide your name, address, date of birth, and social security number for identity verification. Step 3. Residency requirements. You must be a U.S. resident with a valid social security number or ITIN to qualify for Affirm financing. Step 4. Minimum age. You need to be at least 18 years old to use Affirm. Step 5. Credit and financial history. Affirm looks at your credit history, income, and debt levels to decide if you qualify and what terms to offer. Step 6. Merchant and purchase limits. Pre-qualification may also depend on the merchant, purchase amount, and Affirm's risk policies. If you meet these criteria, Affirm will show your estimated eligibility and payment plans before you buy. Thanks for watching.